she feared that Ravan might have captured Sri Ram and Lakshman. When good news arrives after a long wait, happiness often flows from the eyes as tears. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 13, Chaupai number 1, through which we will get to understand how Hanumanji acted as sorrow reliever for Sita ji. हरिजन जानी प्रीति अति गाढ़ी, सजल नयन पुल कावली बाढ़ी, बूढ़त बिरह जलधि हनुमाना, भयउ तात मोह कहूँ जल जाना. When you are under the control of an enemy, neither joy resides in your heart nor peace in your mind. Even if you are surrounded by material comforts, you feel suffocated. You long even for a few words of affection. In such a situation, if some of your own comes to you, tears of relief begin to flow from your eyes. For Sita, this was an even more emotional moment. After enduring Ravana's mental torment for so many days, she finally beheld a well-wisher. Moreover, Hanuman's arrival brought her comfort for many reasons. Think about this. When Janaki had received no news of Sri Ram for a long time, various thoughts began to arise in her mind. She feared that Ravan might have captured Sri Ram and Lakshman. Otherwise, given Sri Ram's capabilities, it should not have taken him so long to find her and reach Lanka. Either he would have come himself, defeated Ravan in battle, and rescued her, or at the very least, he would have sent a messenger to inquire about her well-being. Then another thought occurred to her. It was not possible to hold Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram captive for long. He would either destroy his enemy in battle or attain martyrdom, but would never sit idle. Could it be that Ravan had killed both brothers through treachery? In such a state of turmoil, when Janaki encountered Hanuman as Ram's messenger, she could no longer restrain her emotions and tears began to flow. Tulsidas ji says, Harijan jani priti ati gaढ़ी, sajal nayan pul kavali बाढ़ी, बूढ़त बिरह जलधि हनुमाना, भयउ तात मो कहूँ जल जाना. Upon realizing Hanuman was a devotee of Sri Hari, Mother Sita felt deep affection for him. Her eyes filled with tears and her body thrilled with joy. She said, O Hanuman, as I was drowning in the ocean of separation, dear one, you have become like a boat to carry me across. Meanwhile, Hanuman sought to reassure Vaidehi that Sri Ram was not alone in this struggle. His friend Sugriv stood with him. In the Valmiki Ramayana, Sarg number 34, Shlok number 36, while introducing Sugriv, the noble Hanuman says, Ramasya cha sakha devi Sugrivo nam vanaraha Raja vanar mukhya nam Satvam Kaushalam bravit. O Devi, Ram has a friend named Sugriv, a Vanara who is chief among the Vanaras and our king. He himself has been inquiring about your welfare. For anyone caught in adversity, the greatest need is reassurance. Reassurance that they are safe. Reassurance that their loved ones are concerned and making sincere efforts to rescue them. Reassurance that those loved ones are capable of saving them. Though Sri Ram alone is capable of overcoming any challenge, Vanara King Sugriv is also with him and cares deeply for you. Together, they will surely free you from captivity. Reassured by Hanuman's words, Vaidehi's joy returned. This reassurance was also necessary because after Hanuman departed, anxiety might again arise in Janki's heart. In that moment, these very facts would give her strength and courage. So, what lessons do we learn from today's Chaupai? When good news arrives after a long wait, happiness often flows from the eyes as tears. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who lose patience. There are certain situations in life where no matter how much you wish otherwise, you can do nothing except wait. Consider this gentleman. God knows what he was attempting that led him into such a situation. Eventually, the entire village had to gather to help pull him out.
તું પણ એમ રેવા દીધ ને જો હંધાય ભાઈ ગયા ખાવા નહીં જડે ઉપાડવાનો પાણી નાખો પાછી તેડી હોત એમ નીકળી ગયો
आप बताओ एक को, हर एक बताए एक को, सूचना ये हो जाए जनहित में जारी। तो बोलो, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।